welcome back to my page. This tutorial is on a no-sew halter top, so let's start the new year looking cute. Now this tutorial is super easy, so I'm super excited to share, and you already know what to do. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now because I'm coming to you with that new and that cute. So let's get started. So first you want to start with the fabric on fold. I want to zoom in to show you the type of fabric that I have. It's like a sparkly, nice gold, like just so pretty. Anyways, but you can get this fabric, get a half a yard, get this fabric legit for like $5. So I have the fabric placed on fold. I'm showing you the raw edges and where it's folded, as you can see here in the tutorial. So get that placed down on a flat surface. Seeing as I didn't mention earlier, it is a stretch cotton. Okay, so this part, the length is 29 inches, your width is 19 inches. And then again, you can see that is the raw edges. The bottom portion where I'm not measuring is where the fold is. Now, you want to get something circular. I was just showing you the different things, anything around the house that's circular and round. I have a bowl, I have my son's container, I even had a drum, just to show you. Anyways, I was being extra with that, but yeah, anything circular. So you want to place your object in the center of the fabric. Again, look at where I'm cutting. So at the top where the raw edge is, it's opened. So on the opposite side of where I'm cutting, that part is on fold. So you're gonna cut. Now I'm showing you here, or where I'm cutting, sorry, that is going to be the straps. So the straps, you can either make them wider or thinner. I would consider mine fairly thin. But you want to cut towards the bowl in a semi-circle shape. So it's kind of easier to show you than it is to tell you. Look at how I'm cutting around the bowl. And then I'm going to do, or end up in the exact same spot where the other straps was cut. So anyways, you're gonna see what I mean because I don't want to confuse you. So here's what it looks like. So you should kind of have like a purse. I'm not sure what this kind of looks like, but anyways, this is what it should look like when you finish cutting. So I kind of try to put a little description on the picture. I don't know if it makes sense, but anyways, the straps, those are going to go around your neck and around your back. And then the bottom where it says fold, that's going to be your front. That doesn't make sense. But anyway, so here's what I'm showing you now. So I'm going to show you a few different styles on how you can rock it. And believe me, there's so many styles. The top just looks so cute when it falls on you. But anyway, so here's the first style. You tie the top and you tie the back. And then you have that cowl neck. And boom, dress it up with your jewelry. You are good to go. I mean, so cute and it falls so nicely. Anyway, so let's go into the next style. Okay, maybe I should have spun up the video. So for this one, what did I do? Oh, I tightened the neck portion. So as opposed to a cowl, it kind of is like a choker around the neck. And then you can kind of wear it like a crop top type thingy. Yeah, you see what I'm doing there? And then just tie the back a little bit tighter. So you know what I mean? You play at your straps, you tie it as you go. I'm going to stop talking now. Watch and see on the different styles and how you can rock it. Okay, so for this style, I'm going to start talking back. So for this, you want to place the bottom straps, your elbows actually to go over the straps, and then you're going to tie the bottom straps with the top straps. Of course, in the tutorial, it's just to kind of show you, so I didn't do it neatly. But I mean, look at the back, an open back with a front cowl. I mean, I don't even, Anyways, shit's fire. Like, look at that. It's so cute. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking again. Back to tutorial. So there's the last style I have to show you guys, and I mean, the style is just so bomb. So you can do so many different things with this top. I just showed you a few. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to see more.